Mangalsen, the capital of Achham district. It falls in the far western of Nepal. A town known for its quiet beauty and proud history. At its center stands a palace that once ruled the valley. Mangalsen Durbar, also called Achham Durbar. Built around 1.5 centuries ago by the rulers of Achham, this 3-story palace with nearly 30 rooms became the pride of the region. The design of Mangalsen Durbar was inspired by the grand palaces of Kathmandu Valley, especially the Hanuman Doka Palace. Its roofs, carved windows, and detailed wooden frames carry the essence of Newar architecture, but built with local stone and timber. Then came the dark night of Fagun 4, 2058 Bikram Samvat, the night that changed everything. During the height of Nepal's civil war, Maoist forces attacked Mangalsen. Explosions lit the sky, and the palace that had stood for generations crumbled in the fire.
यो रेडियो नेपाल हो। अब गोपाल बस्नेतबाट समाचार सुन्नुहोस्। सेती अञ्चलको अछाम जिल्लाको सदरमुकाम मंगलसेनको सुरक्षार्थ तैनात सुरक्षा फौजको टोलीमाथि सशस्त्र माओवादी आतंककारीहरूको ठूलो जत्थाले हिजो राति गरेको आक्रमणमा सुरक्षा फौज तर्फका 48 सैनिक जवानहरू तथा प्रहरी सुरक्षा कर्मीहरूतर्फ 49 जना समेत जम्मा 102 जनाको दुखद निधन भएको छ।
Government offices were destroyed and the town was shaken to its core. The old palace, once a symbol of pride, turned into a haunting reminder of pain and loss. Years passed. Reconstruction began, step by step. The palace started rising again. The same traditional design was followed. 3 stories, hand-carved windows, and locally crafted wood and stone, a tribute to what once was. Today, Mangalsen Durbar stands once more, almost complete. Its new walls carry old stories of kings and wars, of loss and hope. For the people of Achham, this is more than a reconstruction project. It is a way to heal, to honor their history, and to show that even after destruction, something beautiful can rise again. Mangalsen Durbar is not just stone and wood. It is the soul of a town that refused to fade and a way to grow again.